If you want to learn how to input videos into CapCut quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to import your video files into CapCut so you can start editing without wasting time. This is one of the first things you need to know when starting a new project, and once you learn it, the rest of the editing process becomes much easier. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and step-by-step editing guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the program launches, click Create Project to start a brand new editing session. This will take you into the main editing workspace where you can begin adding your media. Now look at the left side of the screen and find the Media tab. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files, project assets, and everything you need to build your video. Inside the Media tab, you'll see a large Import button. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, CapCut will open a file browser window so you can choose the video clips you want to bring into your project. From here, browse through your computer folders and locate the video files you want to use. You can select one video or multiple videos depending on your project. Once you've highlighted the file or files you want, click Open to import them into CapCut. After that, your videos will appear inside the Media area, ready to be dragged into your timeline and edited however you like. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to input videos into CapCut and get your footage into the project the right way. From here, you can trim clips, add effects, insert music, and start building your final edit. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.